Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this one, I'm going to be drawing a cute platypus. Thanks to Siena Primary School for your suggestion on drawing this one. Let's draw. So starting with a bit of the head. Now if you want to put a few little hairlines on like this, 2, 3, then bring that around like this. Now we've got to draw the bill on because they have an awesome duck bill. I'm going to bring it up and around over here, and I'm exaggerating the duck bill, so it's going to come around like so. Big bill, and let's put a little smile on, and don't forget the little nostrils. A bit like almost reminds me of Daffy Duck. Little eyeball with a little white bit there, and another little eye. There we have our platypus's head. Now we're going to have, it's going to have a little body as well. So just going to do one little arm here like this. And they got webbed feet, but I'm just going to have them as little 3 little webbed toes, whereas they have 5 because I'm simplifying it into a chibi character. Bring that down and around, and then the little feet there like this. 1, 2, 3. Bring him around. Do another one over here. 1, 2, 3. Put a little piece like this, and then just bring this around there. There's the body. Now we're going to put on his tail, big tail like so, and we might do a couple of little eyebrows, and there we have a cute little platypus. Thanks for watching today. Thumbs up. Catch you later. See ya. Bye.